Welcome. It's assumed that you have completed the task on the file system and the crypto module, the standard modules that we have already seen. Now let's try to create the custom modules within Node.js. In order to create the custom module, we'll add a file. Let's name that file as say 16.js, and within that file, I'll write console.log and say hi. I'll save the file, go to terminal, execute it, node 16.js, and the output should be hi. Now I want to create the module similar to the standard modules. How to create? Go to Explorer section, add one more file, and for now I'm naming those file name as mymodule.js. So the current file name is mymodule.js. Within this mymodule.js, I want to create the function. In order to create the function, the notation is like const, the name of function that you want to create, equals the function, brackets, and the curly brace, then the body of that function. So what to be performed. But if I try to use this function within some other file, it is not allowed. Reason, Node.js has the exports keyword for exporting any function within your module to the outside world. So this function will be exposed only if it is written with the export keyword. Now let's go back to our code 16.js and now try to use it. So how to use it? We have already seen while using the standard modules, there is a require method. So how we have used it? Syntactically const, the name of some constant, that is say my module, then require function, which will require the name of the module you want to use. Previously we have used the crypto. Now since my module is not the standard one, you need to mention the exact path of my module. So my module is defined within the same folder where I am writing the 16.js. So the path will be dot oblique my module. So this module is now, the custom module is now introduced into 16.js current file, and we can represent it with the name my module. So to deal with it now, my module dot, the function that we have created within that module is test function. So my module dot test function is get called. Now let's run it. Node 16.js, and the output is hi and hello as expected. So it is very pretty clear that if you want to create your custom module, create one file name with your module name, say mymodule.js. Then inside that, create the functions you want to create for that module and export that functions using the exports keyword. And while consuming that functions, use require the path of the module, the object for that module, and then object dot function name. This way you can consume the custom module within the Node.js. Stay tuned. Thanks.